It's a certified 2023 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, automated parking sensors, external memory control, memory steering wheel settings, voice-activated climate controls, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,